Hi, it's Dad Nago here. Welcome back to my English podcast. In today's world, intelligence is a highly coveted trait. Those who are intelligent have the potential to become leaders in their fields. The problem with this trait is that it can be hard to measure how intelligent a person may or may not be. With that said, there are a few habits that you can adopt in your everyday life to boost your intelligence. By following these habits, you will not only be able to increase your intelligence, but also improve other areas of your life. Number 1. Keep your brain active by reading. Reading is one of the best ways to ensure that you are constantly learning new things and improving your intelligence. When we read the information we didn't know, it's almost like we are carving a pathway into our brain with each word we process. The more books you can cram in there, the better you can see the world. Plus, if you are an avid reader, chances are that writing will come easily to you because of all the time spent developing your vocabulary and sentence structure from deciphering complicated texts. Number 2. Do something physical for at least 30 minutes every day. The same goes for exercise. If you want to get smarter, it's crucial that your body stays in shape. Exercise doesn't just boost memory and cognitive function, but it also teaches you to be more organized and helps you learn faster. Being physically active is also good for the brain because it releases endorphins, which makes us happier. In addition to being a great stress reliever, exercise will help improve your mood and reduce depression. Number 3. Learn a new language. It's never too late to learn a new language. Language learning has been shown to improve memory skills and increase the volume of the brain in specific places like the hippocampus. There are many benefits from learning another language, like exposing yourself to different cultures, which helps you become more open-minded and understanding. This skill will be valuable for anyone who wants and needs to work with others in the future. Number 4. Practice meditation. Meditation is the practice of clearing your mind and focusing on a single thought or object. It can be done in many different ways, but whether you choose to do it for 15 minutes as part of a daily routine or sit uninterrupted for an hour once a week, meditation has shown to have many benefits, such as lower stress levels and better memory recall, the two things that help us with creativity and innovation. I hope that you learned something new today. My goal is to help you gain more useful knowledge every day while improving your English considerably. Don't forget to sub for more awesome videos every week. Share this video with your friends and families so that they can benefit from this information as well. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.